Today I'm going to show you how to use GLAM AI, the viral app that transforms your selfies with AI beauty filters, makeup, and even anime effects. First, download the app on Google Play Store. Search GLAM AI. As you can see, I already downloaded it. Open the app once it's installed. What I love about GLAM AI is that it's not just one style. It has so many categories to choose from. You've got classic beauty filters, full glam makeup, 3D avatars, anime looks, fantasy effects, and even realistic edits. For example, let's choose anime 2D. You can choose photo or video. I'm going to select photo. Then choose a photo from your gallery that you want to upload. Then click continue. Wait a second to generate it. Once you're happy with the result, tap save or share directly to Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you want to post it. If you want to access all the categories, you have to buy their plans. Select upgrade in the upper right side. Then you can choose yearly or weekly. Then click continue to get Glam Pro. Glam AI is perfect for glow-ups, cosplay edits, profile pics, or just having fun with your look. Super easy to use, no editing skills needed. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.